Hey, what is going on, guys? This is Ankan here from Editective. If you are the Windows 10 users, then you might be facing a problem called Windows 10 automatic update. Like, I've been using Windows 10 for more than 2 years and I'm facing that specific problem for on and on and on. The problem is that Microsoft forces their Windows 10 users to be in the latest build, because Windows 10 is actually not a stable Windows. It's still running in the beta mode. That's why Microsoft wants their Windows 10 users to be in the latest build. Now, the problem becomes so serious that it is so annoying in the Windows 10. Now, we all know that actually Windows 10 is better than their previous predecessors, which is Windows 7 or Windows 8 or Windows 8.1. They have some problems like plug and play issue. New device which you connect to the computer does not detect automatically until you restart your PC, but in Windows 10 it's completely fixed. And also there are some DirectX update, like DirectX is moved from version 11 to 12, and also games runs better in the Windows 10. And also the the interface is customized, more materialistic looks are there. And you can also turn off and on the Wi-Fi drivers, which were not present in the Windows 7 or 8. Anyways, in this video we are focusing this problem, which is the Windows 10 automatic updates. Now, previously I have made a video on turning off Windows 10 automatic update, and you can take this video as an update, as an ultimate update, and this trick will work for all the Windows 10 versions and all the Windows 10 builds. Like Windows 10 versions means Windows 10 Home, Windows 10 Pro, Windows 10 Education, Windows 10 Enterprise, everything. The trick will be same. So to do that, let me first show you that I have turned off my automatic updates. If you go to the settings, before showing that, if you're using Windows 10, you might be losing the option of Windows 10 updates in the control panel section. As you can see, Microsoft has removed the Windows update section from the control panel in the Windows 10. So you can only access the Windows 10 in the Windows settings option, Windows 10 updates in the settings option. So let me first show you that I have turned off my Windows 10 update. As you can see, the update is paused, and besides, your organization has turned off automatic updates. So if you go to the configured update policy, as you can see, disabled automatic updates, and there are also update checker is also disabled, and a lot of the policies are disabled here. So I will show you how I managed to turn off automatic updates properly. So to do that, you need to go to the search bar and type edit group policies. In the top, edit group policies, right click on that. As you can see, so under the local computer policy, go ahead and extend the administrative template, and then go to the Windows components, extend that, and right to the bottom you will find a option called Windows updates. Go there and you will find the several group policies over there. Now if you are accessing this edit group policies on your Windows 10 for the first time, the state will all be in the not configured mode. As you can see, I have already configured few of them to disable Windows 10 automatic update. So I will guide you which options you want to disable. So first of all, the first option, which is the allow updates to be downloaded automatically over metered connections. So you need to double click on that and a dialog box will open. Now here you need to select disabled and then click on OK. After that, you need to go to the configure automatic updates and go ahead and disable, like I have shown you before. Disable that and click on apply and then OK. Then the specify deadlines of automatic updates and restart disabled. Specify that Ethernet Microsoft update service location disabled. Automatic update detection frequency is also disabled over here. Remove access to the pause update feature. Remove access to use Windows update features disabled. Do not connect to any Windows Update internet locations also disabled. And over there specify engaged restart transactions and notification scheduled for updates also disabled. Disable the allow updates immediate installation. Then go ahead and disable the turn on recommended updates via automatic updates, and then disable this option rescheduled automatic updates schedules installations. Disable this option update power policy for chart restarts, and also disable this last one display options for update notifications. So after you disable this, turn off the group policies, and if you go to the settings and go to the update and security, you will see this option your organization has turned off automatic updates. That means your administrator has turned off your Windows 10 updates, and you will not get any update even when you are connected to the network. After that, you have left one thing, which is going to the services. Go to the services, go ahead and expand that, and go ahead and search for Windows Update. And as you can see, it is running in the background, so you need to go to the properties and go ahead and stop that. And you have to make sure that it does not turn on again when you turn your computer on again. You have to go to the startup type as disabled, go ahead and apply. And if you go to the Windows Update again, you will see that the Windows Update will be disabled. As you can see, Windows Update has been disabled. So this is how you can turn your Windows 10 updates, automatic updates off, and even though you are connected to the network, Windows 10 automatic updates will be disabled. And also I want to show you that which build I am using. As you can see, I am using Windows 10 Pro and 1903 version, and I guess I have used a lot of builds of Windows 10, and I find this build is close to this table, as I did not encounter any serious bugs or issues in this version. Just nightlight feature will not work properly. As you can see, if I go to there, I have turned off the nightlight feature, as the nightlight feature does not work in this version properly. So if you do not rely on the nightlight feature, then this build may be a great option for you. Go ahead and download this build. A link will be in the description, video description, so make sure to check that. And if this video helps you, don't forget to like the video, share this video with your friends and families, and also to stay connected with me, subscribe my channel AD Tech Tips. So till then, bye bye. I will come with a new video. Till then, see you in the next video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.